Before I start today's video, I would like to thank Emma Mattress for sponsoring this video, and I'll talk about the offer details and more about Emma Mattress later in this video. Ma, Mata, Matra, Ai, Amma, Ammi, Mommy, Masa, these are not just simple words. The word itself is so full of emotions and love. And I tell you this, the value of this word increased exponentially for me when I became mother. In fact, I had written a poem for my mother and posted it on my blog 4 years ago. And recently I read it again and I realized how pure and precious each word of that poem is. And I just could not believe, and I was completely surprised and astonished. How could I write so beautifully? So after reading the poem, I just patted my back. I would be really delighted if you too give it a read. I'm gonna link that in the description and here as well. So please go and read it and let me know your views. So today's video is Mother's Day special and I'm gonna share some DIYs. Though I have already posted so many DIYs on my channel, so you can just go through DIY playlist. There you will find lots of inspirations. If your mother is a fashionista, you can gift her some DIY jewelry. If she is a gardening enthusiast, you can paint some pots and gift her, and or you can just make her some macrame hanging planters. Or if she is a home decor enthusiast, then you can make some DIY pillows and gift her, and you can also make some aroma candles and gift her. So options are endless. I'm gonna link all the videos in the description box below. Now let's start today's video. For this DIY, you'll need newspapers, scissors, a thin stick or skewer. You can use broomstick or pencil, pen, anything, and glue. Now first take a newspaper, fold it in half and then cut it. Now place one paper on top of the other like so, and then fold it 2 times. Now cut along the folded line. This way you will have 8 strips from one newspaper. Now take one paper strip, keep the stick like this and not like this, it should not be too tilted. Now rotate the stick anti-clockwise with right hand while gently holding and tightening the paper tube with left hand. Once you reach the end, put some glue on this triangular part of the paper to secure it. Paper tube is ready. Now slowly slide the stick out of the paper tube. Make lots of tubes of similar thickness so that coaster looks nice and even. Now to make a coaster, I'll just coil the paper tube tightly like so. Once the tube reaches its end, I'm gonna take second tube, apply glue at the thinner end, and I'm gonna insert it in the first tube. I'll keep doing it until the coaster reaches desired size. For one coaster, I would need around 6 to 8 tubes. Now secure the end with glue. This coaster is made using tubes of different thickness. That's why it is not looking even and neat. So I'll make few more coasters using tubes of same thickness now. For the next step, I'm gonna mix 1 part of glue with 2 parts of water, and then I'll apply it on the coaster and let it dry. The same I'm gonna do on the other side. Next, I'm gonna apply white acrylic paint as a primer. Now I'm gonna paint it in my choice of color. The surface of this coaster is quite even as I used the tubes of similar thickness. Now I have something special to share. Since we are talking about Mother's Day, Let's show some extra care and affection to your mother or to your child if you are a mother, and give them something special which makes their life better. In my son's room, the mattress is custom made, and over time I have realized that it's quite hard, not that comfortable, and it's affecting his posture and sleep as well. So I have decided, when the lockdown gets over, I'm gonna get him Emma mattress, because it's the number one mattress in Western Europe, and it's now launching in India. And I'm assured about its quality because it has won many awards. Also, I have done a lot of research online, and I have read many reviews where customers have shared that it's the perfect mattress. They have been using it since past few years and they just liked it. It also helps in keeping posture. It's good for people with backache, and the fact that the customer satisfaction is their topmost priority. So if you are looking to gift something special, then Emma Mattress is offering 35% of discount to my creative community. I'm going to add all the details in the description box below, so don't forget to check out. For this DIY, you'll need just a cardboard or leather or felt of desired size. Mine is cardboard of 22 by 22 inches. Now I am marking 7 inches from the edges on all the 4 sides. It will look like this. Now I'll mark 1 inch on outer side of this square, then join it with inner side of the square. I'll do the same for these 4 squares. Also, I have marked dots where I'll be punching holes. Now I'll cut it, and this is how it looks. Now on the reverse side, I'll keep a scale and lift the flap like this. This is how it's gonna look now. I'll punch holes on the marked places. Now I'll paint it in same color as the coaster so that it looks like a set. It's almost ready, and now I'll insert twine in the holes like so. Let's make some easy peasy roses to fill this bouquet. I am using handmade paper here. You can use any paper. In fact, newspaper can also be used. Now with a dash of glue, I'll stick the flower on this base. I have poked a hole in the flower, inserted the stick and secured it with hot glue. So the quick vase is ready. This can also be used as a decorative planter. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. So I hope you'll be making your mother feel special on this special day, and I really hope that this video was useful. That's all for today, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, watch either this video or this. Bye bye. Wish you all love, luck and sunshine. Or you can watch this video or this.